Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is Alicia's Kitchen. So in today's video I will be baking this traditional Jamaican rock bun. Now let's bake. So guys, for our rock bun we're gonna need flour, and I'm using 3 cups of flour, and I'll list all the ingredients down in the description below. I'll also be using some coconut powder, baking powder, and cinnamon. You can also add nutmeg. And you're just going to use your hands to combine everything together, and you're going to make sure that your hands are clean because you're going to be using your hands for everything today, guys. Everything. A mixing bowl is not needed. Okay, now we'll be adding our sugar. You guys can use brown sugar if you want, also some shredded unsweetened coconut, or you can use sweetened coconut. I didn't have unsweetened, so I'm using sweetened coconut. And you can also lessen the sugar if you want also, because we're already using sweetened coconut. Also, I'll be adding some raisin and cherry, and these are the maraschino cherries. And as I said, you're just going to combine that, and these are all the dry ingredients. Now we're going to add our butter, and we're just going to crumble that out until it resembles coarse breadcrumbs. So now I'm going to form a well in the center of the dry ingredients, and I will be adding my coconut milk, also some vanilla essence, and as I said, you're just going to use your fingers, your hands, whatever, and you're just going to combine all that together, and the dough should be very sticky and lumpy. Now to form the dough, you can either use a spoon or you can just use your fingers, just to form the size that you want. And just go ahead and put them on a baking tray lined with parchment paper, of course. Now guys, this is a very messy job, so if you don't want your hands to be very messy, you can just go ahead and use a mixer. And guys, if you have muffin tins, you can go ahead and bake them in those. I mean, it will just give it a really good shape, but it'll taste the same nevertheless. Now guys, I'm just going to top it up with some maraschino cherries on the top, just for a little presentation, yeah. And I'm gonna bake these bad boys for about 15 to 20 minutes at a temperature at 350 degrees until they are golden brown. And here we have our freshly baked coconut wrap bun, guys. These were so good. You guys need to try this recipe, guys. Like, it was so amazing. But I do hope you guys like this recipe. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Also, go ahead and follow me on Instagram at Alicia's_kitchen, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.